Hello there, I'm so glad you're joining me. Welcome to your garden, your sanctuary, your little piece of the earth. We're about to embark on a fascinating journey together. Today we're starting a project that connects us to thousands of years of history, a practice that has fed civilizations and shaped cultures. We're growing rice, right here, in our own gardens. It's a simple act, with profound roots. You don't need a vast paddy. Forget those sprawling fields for now. All you need is just a sunny spot, a corner of your garden that gets plenty of light, and some water because rice loves to be surrounded by moisture. Most importantly, you need curiosity, a willingness to learn and observe the magic of nature unfolding. Rice isn't a plant you can ignore. It's a bit like a pet that needs regular check-ins. It needs your attention and care, a gentle hand to guide its growth. The process is simple but deeply rewarding, a chance to connect with the natural world in a tangible way. It's about grounding you in the rhythms of nature, slowing down, and appreciating the simple miracle of growth. First, you'll prepare the soil, creating a welcoming bed for your rice to thrive. Then, you'll nurture seedlings, watching them sprout and reach for the sky. And finally, you'll watch them grow into golden stalks, heavy with grain. This journey is about reconnecting with your food and the earth, understanding where your meals come from. Don't worry if you've never tried this before. No green thumb required. We'll go step by step, holding your hand through the entire process. All you need is a bit of space. Even a small container on a balcony will do. Sunlight, the lifeblood of all plants, especially rice. And patience, because nature operates on its own schedule. Forget the idea that rice is only for big farms, or that it's too complicated for the average gardener. Anyone can do this, regardless of experience or location, and the results are worth it. The satisfaction of harvesting your own rice is unparalleled. Ready to begin this incredible adventure? Let's get started and let the rice growing journey begin. Before we start, let's gather what you'll need. First, certified rice seeds. Choose a variety suited to your climate. You'll need a reliable water source. Rice is thirsty. For your paddy, use a low-lying garden patch or watertight containers at least a foot deep. A hand trowel or small spade will help prepare the soil. Good compost or balanced fertilizer is essential. Rice loves nutrients. Pick a spot with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. That's it. Seeds, water containers, trowel, fertilizer, and sun. Gather your supplies before you begin for a smooth start. Now let's wake up those seeds. To start, soak your rice seeds in lukewarm water for 24-36 hours. Discard any seeds that float, they're likely not viable. Drain the seeds well, they should be damp, not wet. Keep them in a warm, humid spot. Wrap in a damp cloth or use a loose-lidded container. Check daily and mist if needed to keep them moist. In a day or two, you'll see tiny white shoots emerge. Wait until the shoots are about 1 centimeter long. This simple process awakens the seeds and prepares them for planting. It's a quiet transformation, water, warmth, and patience. Once sprouted, your seeds are ready for the next step. Let's prepare their new home. Now let's prepare the bed for your rice. Loosen the soil in your patch or container, removing weeds and stones. Mix in plenty of compost or well-rotted manure for nutrients and moisture retention. Level the soil, then slowly add water until there's a 2-4-inch layer above the surface. Let the water settle for a day or two. This flooded bed suppresses weeds and keeps rice happy. Make sure the surface is level so water covers evenly. Your mini paddy is now ready. A small wetland, just like in traditional rice farming. It may look muddy, but it's the perfect environment for your seedlings. The stage is set for planting. Let's move on to transplanting. After 20-30 days of nurturing in the seedbed, your rice seedlings will have grown significantly. They're almost ready for their new home. This is a crucial stage. Your seedlings are now strong enough to be transplanted to the paddy, where they'll mature and produce a bountiful harvest. It's best to choose a cool, cloudy day for transplanting. The gentle weather reduces stress on the young plants. When you're ready, gently lift each seedling by the leaves. Avoid pulling at the stem, as this can damage the delicate roots. Carefully plant them in the prepared muddy bed, ensuring the soil is soft and easy for the roots to penetrate. Space them 6-8 inches apart in a grid pattern. This spacing allows each plant enough room to grow and receive sunlight. Press them in just deep enough to stand upright, ensuring the roots are well covered but the plant isn't buried too deep. Maintain the water level at 1-2 inches. This shallow water helps keep the soil moist and provides essential hydration. Keep this water level consistent for the first few weeks as the young plants establish their root systems. Regularly weed by hand to give your rice the best chance to thrive. Weeds compete for nutrients and sunlight, hindering growth. As the plants grow taller and stronger, they'll require more nutrients to support their development. Feed them with compost or a nitrogen-rich fertilizer every few weeks to provide the necessary nourishment. The nutrients dissolve in the water, creating a nourishing solution that the roots readily absorb. Watch your rice grow taller and fuller with each passing week, a testament to your care and attention. Tending rice is a gentle rhythm, a dance between you and nature. Water, providing the lifeblood for growth. Weed, removing competition and ensuring healthy development. Feed, supplying the essential nutrients for robust growth. Repeat, a cycle of care that yields incredible results. Soon you'll see the transformation from tiny seedlings to lush green plants, a vibrant testament to your hard work. Now let's talk about patience, the final stretch, and the rewarding moment of harvest. Over the next few months, as the seasons gently shift, your rice will grow, steadily reaching for the sun. It's a gradual transformation, a testament to the power of nature's rhythm. Watch as the tender shoots mature, gaining height and strength with each passing day. Then, delicate flowers will emerge, a sign of the plant's reproductive phase. These flowers will then give way and form grains, the precious kernels that will eventually become your harvest. Observe closely as the grains swell and ripen, a promise of the bounty to come. Keep the water level steady, ensuring the plants have consistent access to this vital resource. Maintaining the right water level is crucial for healthy growth and optimal grain development. Diligently remove weeds, those unwanted competitors that steal nutrients and sunlight from your precious rice plants. Regular weeding will give your rice the space and resources it needs to thrive. And keep a watchful eye out for pests. Early detection and intervention can prevent significant damage to your crop. Regularly inspect the plants for any signs of infestation or disease. When the stalks turn golden, a beautiful transformation signaling maturity, and the heads droop, heavy with the weight of the ripening grain, it's harvest time. This is the moment you've been patiently waiting for. Squeeze a grain. It should be hard, not milky. This simple test will confirm that the grains are fully mature and ready for harvest. Cut the stalks a few inches above the ground, using a sharp sickle or knife, and bundle them together, making them easier to handle and transport. Hang the bundles upside down, allowing the remaining moisture to drain away. In a dry, sunny place for 2-3 weeks, ensuring the grains are thoroughly dried before threshing. Once dry, thresh the grains, separating them from the stalks, by beating the bundles inside a clean container, preventing loss and contamination. Always use certified seeds for the next planting season, ensuring healthy and productive crops. And don't be afraid to keep the soil flooded, as rice thrives in waterlogged conditions. Trust the plant's signals. It will tell you when it's ready. Its golden color means it's ready to reward your patience and care. Growing rice connects you to nature and tradition, a timeless practice passed down through generations. Be patient and enjoy the process. It's a journey of growth and connection. The reward is truly golden, a testament to your hard work and dedication. Happy gardening. May your harvest be bountiful and your spirit fulfilled.